What's up, fellas? I hope your week has been going well so far. Now, I'm here with another Ripple XRP update today. As we all know, Ripple has been in a legal battle with the SEC since December. Filed a lawsuit against the digital payment company, claiming that its XRP cryptocurrency is unregistered security. Things have heated up in recent months, and the XRP community is more concerned than ever. Members are eager to put this saga to rest. But, before we get into all the juicy details of today's video, let's start with that intro. Welcome back to Millionaire Mindset, your favorite cryptocurrency news channel. Welcome to the XRP fam, if you're new here. To ensure that you don't miss out, click the subscribe button and enable notifications. On our daily cryptocurrency news updates, the SEC case put XRP in a difficult position, lowering its value and led to its suspension of its trade on Coinbase and other US-based cryptocurrency platforms. However, Ripple's top executives, two of whom were named co-defendants in the litigation, have vigorously defended the company, fought back against the regulators' claims, with the help of 11,000 XRP holders. They came together and filed a formal application to intervene as a third party in the suit. And it appears that their efforts are bearing fruit. In fact, we are already seeing some analysts predict a possible date for when the entire lawsuit would be over. Let me back up for a moment before we get started. According to CNN Business in New York, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filed a Ripple, its CEO, and its chairman are facing a lawsuit for illegally trading cryptocurrency. $1.3 billion in unregistered securities. According to the SEC, Ripple unlawfully sold XRP, XRPLX, the world's third largest cryptocurrency, to retail clients, which is a violation of Section 5 of the Securities Act of 1933. According to the complaint, Christian Larson, Ripple's chairman, co-founder, and former CEO, and the current CEO of the company, Bradley Garlinghouse, raised funds for the company by selling XRP is being offered in an unregistered securities offering. Failure to register XRP sales, or to qualify for a registration exemption, constitutes a violation. According to the SEC, this is a violation of federal securities law. In addition, the corporation allegedly obtained services such as labor and market making as payment for the XRP offering. Larson and Garlinghouse also arranged $600 million in unregistered personal transactions. According to the SEC. In response to the SEC case, Ripple Labs responded on January 29, stating that XRP is not a type of security. Ripple claimed that none of the other crypto coins, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, are directed at them. Because of its decentralization, the SEC has classified it as a security. Fintech goes on to say that they are all on the same level. So, why is the SEC treating them differently than their counterparts? Ripple Labs' answer was so forceful that the SEC was taken aback. The SEC believed they already had their work cut out for them, and that this case would be unnecessary. A pleasant ride all the way to the end. They presumably assumed it would be an easy win and that they would be able to show off their few talents of evidence to back up their claims. The controversy surrounding Ripple and whether or not XRP is legally classified. The evolution of controlled security continues. But, thus far, things appear to be dragging without any compelling cause or evidence. The Securities and Exchange Commission. In fact, there has been no formal notice of the end of this lawsuit story as of yet. The XRP community is keeping a close eye on the situation and is eagerly anticipating the outcome of this litigation. However, a crypto enthusiast recently revealed when the SEC complaint might be filed. His views are speculative, but we might hope that the long-awaited news on the case could be disclosed around that time. Attorney Jeremy Hogan stated a few weeks ago that the SEC action against Ripple could be dropped. It is possible that this will continue till the beginning of 2022. Hogan is not just a crypto enthusiast and expert, but he is also a partner at Hogan & Hogan firm. He also has his own YouTube channel. Hogan informs his fans about crypto tokens on his YouTube channel, and it is here that he reveals his invaluable advice towards the resolution of the SEC complaint. On his YouTube channel, Legal Briefs, he has been delving into every last detail about. For months on end, the lawsuit was pending. Hogan stated in one of his videos that the deal between the SEC and Ripple is bound to occur following the discovery phase. This is more of a pre-trial phase in which both the SEC and Ripple Labs will be permitted to participate to present pertinent evidence in the case. If the discovery phase is completed shortly, the settlement between XRP and the SEC could be reached. To be expected. According to attorney Jeremy Hogan, this settlement may not take place for a long time prior to the discovery phase. However, this is always a complicated aspect of the lawsuit, and the disclosure of the discovery is no exception. The phase is unlikely to begin before the end of September and will last until mid-October. Following the discovery phase, the judges may take up to 30 days to issue summary judgments based on all of the evidence. That implies the summary judgment might be issued as early as November 16. However, the SEC does not appear to be rushing up since they appear to want to drag the matter out as long as possible. The goal here is to strengthen the settlement on the SEC side and have Ripple Labs. I'm treading on thorns. To the SEC's surprise, Ripple is unaffected by the ongoing proceedings. This could imply that, even if the SEC decides to play some chess with the token, this isn't going to shake things up. According to Hogan, this is a regular approach used by the SEC to cause difficulties for Ripple Labs. That is why the SEC is prolonging the case even though there is no relevant evidence. Furthermore, attorney Jeremy claims that if there is no settlement between the parties, the SEC and Ripple Labs, followed by questions and debates about the summary, the court case has been adjourned until 2022 as a result of the decision. For a long time, everyone in the XRP community has been waiting for this matter to be resolved. However, the case's latency has put the investors' patience to the strain. According to a story on CNBC.com, Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse stated that the absence of the lack of clarity in U.S. cryptocurrency laws is frustrating. According to Garlinghouse, the United States has yet to set clear regulatory standards for cryptocurrencies, in contrast to Asian countries. He referenced the company's ongoing legal dispute with the SEC as an example of where the regulatory system might be problematic. The framework is still uncertain. Financial regulators throughout the world are debating how to regulate Bitcoin industry. Garlinghouse downplayed the recent examination of cryptocurrencies, claiming that the business should focus on other issues. Continue to concentrate on the benefits that these technologies give to clients. At the end of the day, I believe the industry should focus on utility. Are these technologies solving real problems for actual customers? He said, before adding that Ripple will continue to use its XRP ledger and tokens to streamline payments. According to new.bloomberglaw.com, however misdirected, the SEC's onslaught against Ripple gives an opportunity. A potentially fruitful opportunity for the Biden administration. Under new leadership, the SEC could revert to its original objective of protecting investors. Rather than intervening with currencies outside its control, it promotes fair and efficient markets. Jurisdiction. Gensler is well versed in blockchain technology, and he has the potential to bring in a new era. Begin your Bitcoin journey by rejecting the Ripple case. Rather than opposing the Bitcoin business, Gensler should cooperate with it, towards the common aim of securing the future of cryptocurrency and America's place within it. The cryptocurrency and investing communities are keeping a close eye on these court procedures, keeping a tight eye on things and hoping for clarification. The year 2021 will see an increase in demand for blockchain solutions, and supply will be limited. Be capable of meeting it. The competition in the market is fierce, but Ripple's legal battle with the SEC is keeping it at bay, preventing it from advancing any farther. Its plans to go public via an IPO will be put on hold until the lawsuit is settled. When will the case be finished? What is the problem, and why is it taking so long? These are legitimate concerns in such a fast-paced industry. This could also explain why Ripple Labs and its co-founders are attempting to schedule a conference call. The crucial ex-SEC director deposition on July 19, 2021 is only a few days away. To give the impression of franticness. While the reason is uncertain, it could be related to a recent letter from U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren to Gary Gensler, chair of the SEC. By asking a response by July 28, the senator appears to be offering the SEC a deadline. Control over digital assets, thereby avoiding the CFTC. According to attorney James K. Fillon, it was a orchestrated power play. With that in mind, let's take a look at XRP and Bitcoin's technical picture. In my perspective, XRP-USD is in a definite Wyckoff accumulation on the 4-hour time period. My previous experiences have led me to believe that we will trade sideways for a long time. Longer accumulating periods have always taught me that higher capitulations, blast-offs occur. I am optimistic about XRP and cryptocurrency in general. I have no doubt that we are not in a bear market. How long will this period of accumulation last? Nobody knows, and time cannot be predicted. Timing the market always loses to time in the market. The question is not if we will go up, but when. Price action is currently monotonous. So sit back, relax, and be patient. I'm looking at Bitcoin's yearly lows on this chart. Bitcoin's lows have been more spectacular than its all-time highs on each cycle. With the exception of 2015, each yearly low has been, in some cases significantly, greater than the preceding one, indicating the strong parabolic path it has followed since its beginning. The latter hot topic since the May flush, the question has been whether the market has started a new bear cycle or not. The flush was simply a correction within the bull cycle's parabolic run. The yearly lows are a nice way to look at this, green arrows. I'm using the 1W time frame for better display. The data that jumps out is that we experienced 5 yearly lows in the month of, excluding 2021. More than any other month, January. It is worth noting that BTC is a cryptocurrency. If it hadn't been for the March COVID meltdown, the market could have reached even another January bottom in 2020. What's even more intriguing is when we add the 1W RSI to the equation. As you can see, when the RSI was above 60.00 in any given January, it was higher 4 out of 6 times. A year's low. I remove the year 2020 from this data because the low may have occurred in January instead. Due to the COVID anomaly, which was a non-cyclical event, in August. The non-lows cyclical tops January's, red arrows, were immediately preceding that month. This year, 2021, BTC USD reached a new high, or cyclical top if that indeed turns out to be the top, after the end of January. As all have posted continuation, this is consistent with the January yearly low probability. Extremes, blue arrows. So, what are your thoughts? Was the January 2021 low of $28,000 the yearly low? Or do we have a long way to go in December to print that? Guys, please share your ideas in the comments section. Trade with caution. Please bear in mind that we are not a registered investment advisor. All of the videos on this channel are just for entertainment reasons. Let us know what you think in the comments box below, and we'll have a discussion. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe by clicking the button below. Turn on alerts to be notified every time we publish new interesting stuff. We'll see you in the following video.